Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Tony. I'm the owner of Homeowner Repair. And in this video, I'm going to show you a pretty cool outlet cover switch that I found. I was kind of cruising around Lowe's looking for some new outlets and switches and stuff like that. The outlet that I have here is like an off-white and the cover is a white. And, I could easily switch out the outlets to like a white outlet so that everything matches. But I wanted to show you a pretty cool cover that I found. I'll cover the whole thing so you don't have to wire a new outlet in if you want the color to match. But before I roll into this, show you the product, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help me out a ton. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. When you do, ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you'll get a notification that I've uploaded a new video and you won't miss out on anything. But let's dive into this. I'll show you what the product looks like. So this is what the cover looks like. I found it at my local Lowe's, and with the outlet covers, they're pretty easy to find. There's a couple bucks for this. So what it does is it covers this whole outlet next to me, and it'll change that off-white outlet so that the whole thing is white, and it takes like a matter of seconds. It's made by a company, I believe it's called Timac. It's Tymac. It's on the back of the package right here. But that's what it looks like. It comes in this kind of a package. If you want to take a look out for it. So let's take this out of the wrapper. I'll show you how to put it on. It's pretty simple, and you'll get a feel for what it looks like. So all you need to do is remove the old outlet cover. Make sure you don't jam the screwdriver inside the outlet because it'll get zapped. That won't be too much fun. Just take the new base plate out, and it comes with a new screw. So poke out the screw and put the outlet on like that. Make sure it's straight. And then hand start your screw. And then you can just screw it in. Then you can just easily screw it in. Don't tighten down on it really tight because it's plastic and you'll crack the outlet cover. So you just want to make sure that the screw isn't good enough. Don't over tighten it. So here's a better close-up of it. It looks pretty good. It's a pretty simple, easy, fast way to change the color of your outlet and the faceplate. So if you had like a black outlet or an off-white outlet like I did, you wanted to make sure that everything matched, it'll look better in the room. Easy peasy way to do it. So I hope you guys liked the video. It's kind of a quick, easy product to show you guys. Not everybody's an electrician that feels safe changing out an outlet. I understand that. So this is a quick, easy fix, help solve a problem. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell when you do. And if you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Thanks for watching.